Hear me right? Yeah, okay, right. Line zone, right. Okay, right. Hi guys, hi Chris, hope you can hear me this time. Actually, before I go on, Chris, can you just ping me and let me know, because I just ran one of these, for anyone else that might be watching. I had a technical issue with sound and stuff, just want to make sure that's good. So Chris, if you can just give me a quick ping to say you can, you've got focus on me and you can see me, that would, you'll have to tell me. Just speak, just don't worry. Hold on. Got it. Cool, right, okay, I'll continue. Brilliant. Right, so, okay, so little live stream from a pretty boring train station car park. Just somewhere I can easily stop for the time being. So I'm streaming here with the LiveU, which is down on the floor there, little mobile device. Single camera here, and as for audio, I'm using the new Rode Wireless 2 Go system, which has 2 transmitters on this system. Lou's is using the inbuilt mic, and I've got the lapel mic on to mine, so you might get a bit of difference. I'll get Lou to talk in a minute, not just me. I'll shut up. So, and then what we do, if you look behind me, when I did the test earlier, I walked right down to that fence, and it is still as clear. I'll do it anyway so you can actually hear it, because I had no sound a minute ago. So what we do, we have a quick walk down there, and then we're going to come back up to camera, but we'll have a little natural on the way down, and you'll hear us as we go. Joe, just keep the camera pointed us right. So come on, Lou. So tell me about what you've been doing.
So we're at the car park testing this device thingy. And
device thingy, yeah.
I don't know the name of it, but anyway.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow's your birthday.
It is my birthday
and we're
tomorrow.
having Chinese tonight.
Oh yeah, everyone likes a bit of Chinese.
And we're going to be
Yeah.
watching a film. And hopefully, because the weather's really nice, we're going to be going on our bikes down the Chase, which is near to where we live.
To the Chase, yeah, that'll be good. So yeah, still got thumbs up there, so we know that audio is still really good.
Last time we did this, it was
clear.
The curb. Yeah, don't want to step on that again.
Right, I can tell you now, I will never be live streaming further than this distance. You can see I must be like a midget in that camera now.
It's 200 foot away.
I'm going to come back up to camera. So, go on, talk.
So yeah, when we're doing that, and we're going to be watching a film.
We are.
When you're going to see Alex, we're going to be watching a film.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And hopefully there'll be Harry Potter on there.
There will be.
The second one, which I really want to watch.
There will be. Cool. So, okay, so at least now you can see, and also with these roads, they have internal recording. I think I have mine currently, so you have to turn it on. It's not on by default. You set it up as either broadcast quality, which I think mine are, which allows you 7 hours per unit. That's perfect for me. I'm never going to do more than 7. And if not, then if you go down to standard, which is probably good enough for me, you get 24 hours. So now when I go to a wedding, I've got 2 Tascam DR-10Ls. So speeches, I put one on the groom, one on father of the bride. I'm always having to go and swap. So as the groom sit down, I'll probably unclip him, take him, put on the best man. Now I've got these 2, plus those 2, 4. I've only ever had one wedding with 5 speeches. I can get around that with a Zoom H1 or an H5. So there's solutions for that. So now I haven't got to worry about and say, I'm going to have to come over and do this. You know, I can just stay at the camera, do the job I've got to do, which is brilliant news. So not only for live streaming, perfect for weddings now, or anything else, interviews, whatever. So yeah, nice backup as well. So if I did get a dropout when I was walking down there, I've got that backup, so I can get that audio track put over and push that video up. Like for Vimeo, just replace the video. And Chris, you'll know all about that. Yeah, so I'm hoping, I'm running here at full HD 1920 1080, 50 frames per second. So yeah, I'm hoping you can see this is streaming good quality with this tiny little unit. I'll show you how I've connected it. So this is the LiveU Solo. This is a little Netgear Nighthawk M1. So I've got an O2 SIM in here, Ethernet in the side, and I've got an EE SIM in this one, and a Voda SIM in this one, and then I've got Wi-Fi, and my phone that's in my wife's pocket is connected to this, so that would be your 4th. So you've got 4, even if you had 4 weak signals, they get bonded together, as these are all going up in data packets now to the cloud. that gets bonded up, and I'm currently got a stream rate of, sorry, I'm in the sun, 7,275, 7,000, yeah, it's fluctuating by about 3 or 4 points, literally nothing. So I know Vimeo only takes 5,000, so man, that's running like a dream. So I know this only pushes what it needs to, so this should be buttery smooth footage, and I can clip that on my belt and I can go anywhere. One camera. They even give an iPhone app as well that connects this, and because if you're out just that on your pocket, which is ever so light, you could just go with that, just the 2 modems, and then you've got your phone. iPhone, new iPhones and that, pretty good cameras. You've got video there, so yeah, it should be good. So yeah, so it's a good little test for that. Hope that was helpful, Chris, and a test for the wireless Go 2 at the same time. So